Good morning everyone. Welcome back once again to the online class itself. Yes, so today onwards we are going to start with the remaining lessons we will learn from the online, isn't it? So in the live class, in the offline class itself, we already completed the women freedom fighters. In women freedom fighters, we completed Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya, who born in 1903 to 1988. Yes, one of the glorious feature. Yes, one of the glorious women from our Karnataka. Yes, so in the same way, today also we are going to learn one more character, finest and the beautiful character. She is none other than Yashodharamma Dasappa. Yes, so this Yashodharamma Dasappa, she born in 1905 and she ended her life in 1980. Yes, so Yashodharamma Dasappa, born in Bengaluru on May 28, 1905, and her father was Ramaya and mother Revamma. Father was Ramaya, mother Revamma. Her father was a socialist or social reformist oriented person. After finishing her primary studies in Bengaluru, she finished intermediate in Madras at Queen Mary's College. On returning from Madras, she was married to Dasappa. Yes, so Dasappa is his husband name. Okay, so third son of Rao Sahib Chennai, Rao Sahib Chennaiya in 1926. Yes, so it means the son of Rao Sahib Chennaiya, the Dasappa. Okay, Dasappa was the son of Rao Sahib Chennaiya. Okay, that Chennaiya's son was Dasappa. She married. She means Yashodharama was married with Dasappa. Yes, so both Yashodharama and Dasappa were the social workers in our Karnataka. On being influenced by Gandhiji, both got influenced by the Mahatma Gandhiji. So they became a member of they accepted the membership of the Indian National Congress. The couple stayed at Vadra Save Grama for few years and returned. They participated in the freedom struggle of Mysuru princely state. They witnessed the inclusion of Mysuru state into Indian Federation. Okay, so when you will get this video, dear students, so tell me the meaning. What is the meaning of federation? Yes, so whatever you people do, but don't send through the WhatsApp. So many students yesterday which homework I assigned to you, they were sent it to me through the WhatsApp. Please don't do like that. Okay, strictly follow the rules. You should send the notes whatever you will do at your home as a homework, fair work or writing notes. Yes, so you have to send those all kind of works through the Google Classroom. Okay, next one. Even though her husband H.C. Dasappa contested elections. He contested elections for Mysuru State Assembly and won under the Praja Sanyukta Party. Yes, so he became a contest or he became a contested of the elections for the Mysuru. Yes, so he won in that election and he won under the party. The party name was Praja Samyukta Party. Yes, so Yashodharama remained in Congress. Dasappa, when he won in election, Mysuru state election, yes, so he got the party Praja Samyukta, but Yashodharama still she remained in the party Congress. She participated in the Shivapura flag satyagraha in 1938. Yes, so Shivapura flag satyagraha was held in 1938. So this Yashodharama also became a part of that Shivapura flag satyagraha. In 1942, Yashodharama's house was the base of underground activities. Her house was base of the underground activities. Okay. For Quit India movement, so you know the underground activities means what kind of activities? In the previous class also, in live classes also, we already discussed these all the things. Yes, night they used to meet each other, that also without knowing the or without intimating to the moderates and to the British people. Yes, such kind of underground activities or a secret activities also she got a participation. Yes, that also in the movement of Quit India movement, which was the very biggest movement in our India. She published articles on the movement in Jwale newspaper that was printed secretly. The Jwali was the newspaper which was printed very secretly. Yes, so that article was the Jwali newspaper, and she published the article. Yes, her articles were regarding Quit India movement were published in the newspaper of Jwali. Yes, that also those that newspaper, Jwali newspaper, were printed very secretly. Okay, they used to maintain secret reports and all the matters. Yashodharamma was instrumental in organizing an agitation demanding the establishment of people's government in Mysuru state in 1947. Yes, she organized the agitation demands. Agitation means you already know the struggle. Yes, understood. The movement. Okay. The picketing and protesting march were held in front of Mysuru Palace. On seeing the intensity of the agitations, the Maharaja of Mysuru handed over the governance to the people. Yes. So during the 1947, when this Yashodharamma was instrumental, she organized the agitation in front of the Mysuru Palace. At that time, the Maharaja of Mysuru, he handed over the governance to the people only. She became the member of legislative. So after that, she became a member of legislative assembly in the independent Mysuru state. She also became the member of parliament. Yes, when she attended the legislative, or when she joined the legislative, when she became a member of the legislative, she also became a member of the parliament. Yes, she also reserved as the minister of social welfare and in the cabinet of S. Nijalingappa. During the S. Nijalingappa, she became a minister of social welfare. Social welfare means samajika. That meaning you should come to know. Okay, so when you will get this video, write the second word meaning, social welfare. What is social welfare? Okay, write the meaning and send it to me through the Google app itself. Okay, so during the cabinet of S. Nijalingappa, she also served her life. Okay, so this multi-faceted Yashodharamma Dasappa died in 1980 due to cancer. Due to cancer disease, she died in 1980. Yes, she's one of the finest. One more lady, how the Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya come to know, means how she got a name and fame to our nation and to our state. In the same way, she also become a part of our freedom struggle. For that reason, we used to remember the Kamala Devi Chattopadhyaya, and along with Yashodharamma Dasappa, these were the important women freedom fighters of our Karnataka. Proudly we have to say that these belongs to our Karnataka. Yes. So in the next, however you know the reduced part of the lessons. Okay. So Umabai Kundapur was not there. So instead of that, tomorrow onwards we'll go for the lesson number 8. Okay. If you have any doubts, any question, you just ask it to me. Okay. Through the phone call or to the Google app. Okay. You can comment and you can ask the doubts. Okay. So keep in touch with the regular homework or regular work and watch out the video clearly. If you are not able to understand for the first time, so go through the second and third time to watch it out. Okay. So until then, take care of yourself. Be safe at your home itself. Okay. Bye.